Is it windy? Is it scary?
It's quite fun. It can be quite dangerous.
Welcome to our channel. So ngayon naman ay puntahan natin yung mga binook na natin na mga attractions. So, tara na! Ano pa hinihintay natin? Punta na tayo! Vivo Sentosa. So, ayun.
Matutag Vivo City.
Oh, Vivo City. Vivo City na. Ang dati mo? This is the Sentosa monorail sa Sentosa Island. So, hello guys, punta na tayo ng Resorts World, Sentosa Island. So, ayan yung view. We're leaving Vivo City. So, ayan yung boardwalk sa Vivo City, overlooking Sentosa Island. Ayun yung Sentosa Island sa kabila. So, tignan nyo, the lush green. Right up there is the cable. Ayan, yung mga cable cars. We wanted to take that route at first, kaso it will take time kasi mabagal ang galaw niya. So, we opted to use the monorail instead. Sentosa Express ka? Oh, ang pinang tubig. So, Resorts World.
Next stop, Resorts World Station. Singapore's only best integrated family resort. Resorts World Sentosa will complement the island's
Yay! Ito na yun niya. Resorts World.
Resorts World Sentosa. Please mind the platform gap.
Yay, we have arrived. Resorts World, Sentosa Island.
This train is bound for Beach Station.
Hello guys! So pupunta na tayo sa tawag doon. Pupunta na tayo sa Skyline LUGE. Yung gusto talaga nilang sakyan. Explore Sentosa. Ayun o. Kita ko na. Sa dulo. Sobrang food dito. There's the Siloso beach. Right over there. Ayun na yun, the luge. Diyan kami pupunta. Sa totoo lang, takot ako because I'm scared of heights. Ito na yun. Diri. Feel the freedom. The luge. You can also buy a token, souvenir. So ito, create your own souvenir. Na-try ko to nung nandun kami sa Empire State Building. Tapos magbabayad ka ng $2. Insert mo yung bill mo. Tapos iikot mo tong lever. Tapos you will create your own things. Yung instruction. So dito lang yan sa the luge. We're currently in line for the luge, Skyline LUGE, you know. The cable ride, how many minutes does it take?
About like 10 minutes.
Oh, so it's a bit long also?
Yes.
Is it windy? Is it scary?
It's not scary. Windy, it can be windy, but it's not scary.
Or what about
The luge, is it?
the luge?
The luge is quite fun. It can be quite dangerous, but don't worry, we have our safety orders.
Okay.
Emergency.
Thank you. So there. 3 rides di ay. So, $30 each. Padong sa ka, cable ride. Padong ubos ka to, luge. Mo na luge. Mo na luge. Oh, habal-habal. Ninya, takot ka? Hindi. We want to use the locker. How can we? So it's self-service. We'll just insert the $2 bill. So there's no time limit for that.
You need to check because I believe for 2 hours is $4.
Okay, so the $2 is for. There's $2 as well.
Sorry, yes, for 2 hours is $4.
$4. Okay, so that's the minimum. 2 hours, $4 because it's 2 hours, right? The duration of this ride. Okay.
But the minimum I believe is 2 hours for the rental.
For the rent. But the ride, we have three.
45 minutes. For your package, it's 45 minutes.
All in all. Okay. $4 after that dito. Is it scary? Not scary. It's fun. Sila. Ayan yung the luge. Here's the prices. This is it. This is it. We got 4 tickets, 4 rides, so it's going to be 45. So we will avail of self-service lockers. Okay. Ayun, there. Start. Okay, dayo. Rent locker, small, 2 hours. Ang bilis ah.
Sakto ba? Cash.
Notes.
4. Awa, dira. Dua, siguro isa. 1, 2. Okay.
Your locker number is 12. Open 12. There. Thank you. Ulitin yung ticket. We're done. We're ready to ride. Ready to roll. Ayan. So, grab helmets. Oh, medium is blue. So, ayan yung sizes. Malinis siya, guys. Malinis. Bago. Wala, large day ko. Hindi kasha. Do you have green? So, laki ng ulo ko, in fairness.
Large ka, oy.
Kaya nga, laki ng ulo ko. This one, malinis. Very good. Okay na kayo?
Di balik.
So, pipila tayo dito. 3 rides daw, 2. Oh, in fairness, mahaba pala itong pila. Ikot-ikot lang. Ikot doon. Ikot dito. Diyan. So, we'll be doing this ride 3 times. Thank you. Expedition Dragon Sky Ride this way. You ready? Oh yes, ready. Ready ka na?
Kaya ang imong sakyan na nag-iko na daan sila. Karga na daan ba?
Oh, that's your ride.
Prato ba duha ko nag-iko na daan mo?
Kuya, bantay mo kapatid mo ha. Ingat kayo ha. Be careful kuya. Ayun oh, solo na may dalawa na siyang luge.
Ang balik ka rin ka.
Nabalik ka 3 times. So there, that's the Siloso beach doon banda. Please follow these steps to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience for everyone. Before you start, check the height requirements before you ride a chairlift. If you're boarding alone, chairlift does not slow down or stop for boarding. Hala ka. The chairlift does not slow down or stop. Please remain seated with your helmet on at all times. So, hindi po siya hihinto guys. So, ang mangyayari, isushoot nyo yung pet nyo. Like that. Oops! Okay, so panoorin natin si Kuya. Tsaka si Ninya. Ayan, si Kuya and Ninya. Shoot! Kuya, Ninya! Shoot! Ispagdilis tumatag! Munitin ko! Kapatay! Guys, ang layo na namin ng pahinga. Ay, nakakatakot. Kung ayaw nyo nang sumakay sa luge pabalik, you can do what this lady did. So, ayan. Sumakay na lang siya pabalik ng cable. Dahil ayaw niyang mag-luge. So, I guess. Ayun, kita nyo yung cable. Ayan oh, it's safely crossing sa taas. Hala ka. Dad, wag kang gagalaw. Uy, ginoo ko. Doon sa baba, yung mga naglu-luge dyan. Agoy, akong panty. Ayan na yung mga magluluge. Ayan sila. So, palabas na sila. Kami andito pa, nakalambitin pa. Ayun oh. So, there's the cable sa taas. Ayaw na namin yan kasi parang medyo boring. Ako, I'm definitely afraid of heights. Pero, whew, I'm brave today. I conquered my fear. Ay, malapit na, Ginoo ko, tabang mananabang. So, kailangan mo uptick ta diha. So, pag baba ulit, kailangan ay
Pwede na ka.
naka-ready na yung paa. Kuya, bitara kuya. Hello, thank you. Ay. So, tingnan nyo, kailangan mong tumalon just like that. So, luge rides. Ito na tayo na naman, pila na naman. So, ganyan siguro mukha ko. Oh my God. So, section. Oh. So, dito, alagay dyan, ito na trail, yung sasakay ulit ng cable. Dito, sa tinatahak namin trail, ay papunta sa luge. So, we're gonna ride the luge. So it started from New Zealand. Hello! So, luge entry this way. Sa baba, yan yung trail. Thank you. Yung mga bata, ang bibilis. First ride today. So dito first ride. Dito ang mga multiple rides. So, my instructions. Model ng 1985, model ng 1988. So, ang ginagamit natin yung 2005 model. Okay. So, ayan o. Yan yung makikita nyo from atop. Okay, so since second time na namin, dito lang aming entrance. Kanina doon sa kabila, mga first time. Para sabay-sabay na sila doon. Send it after we pay? 30 minutes.
you need us to order number and the receipt.
Oh, you have it. Okay. Keep the receipt.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. So, tignan natin ang Siloso Beach. Ayan, well organized, pati basurahan. Silipin natin ang beach nila kung ano meron. For sure, pares lang sa atin. So, wala namang entrance fee, guys. Ah, okay. So, ito yung beach nila. That's the shoreline. Ayan, yan ang makikita nyo dito sa Siloso Beach. So, let's go! So, kanina andito kami sa India. Tapos, pagdating namin dito sa Sentosa Island, bamba kami India. Nagpunta kami dito, naglakad. Sumakay kami ng Skyline LUGE. Ang rota niya doon sa taas pababa. Tapos ngayon, pupunta kami dito sa Universal Studios. Sasakay kami ng monorail. Andun sa taas ang monorail. So there.